Hi Daniel, thanks for sending your question to Snapmath. So we need to graph this function, and the first thing we need to do is find out what our vertical asymptote and our horizontal asymptote are. So our vertical asymptote is what value for x gives us 0 on the bottom of the fraction. Well, that will be 6. And our horizontal asymptote will be the number to the right, which is this 3. Okay, so now what an asymptote is, it's a dotted line where our graph will not hit. So the vertical asymptote is 6, so it'll be right, there's our vertical one, and our horizontal one will be right here at 3. Okay, so our graph will not hit or cross these lines. Now let's graph the rest of it. So what I like to do is I'm going to pick two numbers on the left side of the vertical asymptote and two numbers on the right side. So the two numbers on the left, I will pick 5 and 4, and the two numbers on the right, I will pick 7 and 8. All right, so when I plug in 5 into our equation, it'll be 5 minus 6 on the bottom, so it'll be 2, and then 5 minus 6 plus 3, and that gives me, this gives me negative 1 on the bottom, so this will be a negative 2 plus 3 will give me 1. When I put 4 here on the bottom, 4 minus 6 plus 3, so this will give me negative 2, which will give me negative 1 plus 3 will give me 2. All right, so I'm going to graph those real quick. So 5 is 1, 4 will be 2, and if we were to graph this, it will look like this, right along those asymptotes. All right, now I'm going to plug in 7 and 8, so we'll have 2, and then 7 minus 6 plus 3. 2 over 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. And then if I do the same thing for 8, 2 over 2 is 2, plus 3 will be 4. So 7 is 5, and 8 is 1. I'm sorry, 8 is 4. And then we graph this. All right. And the last thing is our domain. So our domain is going to be all real numbers except 6, because as you can see that we will not be crossing that vertical asymptote, and our range will be all real numbers except 3, because our graph will not be crossing this line either. All right, thanks for sending your questions, Snapmath. Have a great day.